So now today starting the structural chromosomal abnormalities. Chromosomal abnormalities means the structurally chromosome changes which can exhibit the mutations. So in the lastly, which is also numerical chromosomal abnormalities. But today, which are discussing the structural abnormalities. What is the meaning of structure? How many types of the abnormalities are there in the structural chromosomes? So this is also important for the discussion here. So the structural chromosomes, which is the structural chromosome abnormalities, which has a important for what is a chromosomes. The chromosomes are structure that holds our genes. Genes are individual that instruction that tell our bodies how to develop and functions. Chromosomes are complex structure located in the cell of the nucleus. Complex structure means which having many parts which present in the chromosomes in the nucleoplasm, which are a basic part is called a chromatids. In the chromatids, chromonema filaments are there. The chromonema filaments which having a thread-like structure is called DNA. The DNA on the DNA which are present in the genes. The chromosomes they are composed of DNA, stones, non-histone proteins, RNA, and polysaccharides. Chromosomes become evidence as a discrete structure only during cell division. So whether mitosis or meiosis takes place. So during the mitosis or meiosis which can occur, which affect the chromosomes. The normal chromosomes, human beings, these somatic cells have 46 chromosomes which are present in the 22 pairs of homologous of autosomes and two sex chromosomes called diploid numbers. Two sets of diploid chromosomes which is called XY, X6. In male XY chromosomes, female XX chromosomes. Female carry two X chromosomes, 46 X6, while male have an X and a Y, 46 plus XY. So this is also normal type of the chromosome structures are here. So this is also first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21, 22, 23. So this is also 23 last one year. So the total 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. So all 23 pairs chromosomes which is also 46 and XY. 46 and XY. This is a importance of a normal. The chromosome abnormalities, all through structure, chromosome abnormalities can be very complex. There are two basic types, numerical and structural. So yesterday which are complete the numerical structure of chromosome abnormalities. Now which is called a structure. Both types can can occur simultaneously. Structure and both which can simultaneously, but the um, chromosome structurally same, but it can be functionally differs, which is also important. The structure of chromosomes abnormalities results when there is a breakage and subsequent aberrations. Aberrations, rejoining or loss of chromosome fragments result when there is a breakage. Break means which can be cutted. The chromosome one some parts are cutted, some parts are changed. So breakage and subsequently so aberrations are rejoining. Rejoining means the breakage chromosomes part is also attached to the regions or loss of chromosomes or fragments. The effects of such events depends on how large they are and where on the chromosomes they occurs. How are the chromosomes? What are the structures? how the effects of such events depends on how large they are and very where on the chromosome they occurs. So where are the chromosomes occur? This is also types of chromosome structure. The deletion, the four types of the structural chromosomes are which there. First one is a deletion, second one duplication, third one inversion, fourth one translocation. So first one your deletion. You go to that part is also called a deletion. Deletion means which is also chromosome structures are deleted. Deleted means a part of the chromosome is also cutted. That is a deletion. So duplication means the part of the chromosomes are formation is once again. So this is also AB, but here is also called CD, EEFG. This is also normal type of the chromosomes, but inversion is ABCD deletions. So this is also deletion. That is also duplication. Duplication means A, B, C, D, E, F, D. D is also two types of formation. Two types of formation. That is also called the duplication. The inversion means A, B, C, D, E. That is also this word is inserted or inverted, up and down. The deletion is also first one is a normal. The second one part is called deleted one part. The one part is also deleted. Duplication means once again. So this is also four type of the chromosome parts are there. First you change the chromosome structures. Types of the structural chromosomes, which is a important of the deletions. So the deletion refers to the loss of segments of chromosomes. But here first you go to that the deletion of the chromosomes is which is a the deletion refers to the loss of segment of chromosomes. The chromosome part is a loss. Which where is a loss? Terminal parts, intestinal, also medial. So this is also terminal. The terminal part is a loss here. That showing that the terminal part is also losses there. The S can be terminal close to the end of the chromosomes on the long arm to the short arm to the long arm. That is also terminal loss. This one is also here is also terminal, but here is this part is a loss, but is intestinal. This is also intestinal part. The intestinal part is a losses. So the terminal part of the chromosome is a part last lock means that part is A is a locking space. So also called intestinal means medial part near to the centromere. Centromere part is also locking sometimes. So that is also called deletion is there. So this one a deletion in human chromosome segments leads to the diseases, abnormalities, also cancer diseases. Abnormalities also cancer diseases are occurs. So these cancer diseases are which can be. So this is also P. The deleted chromosomes is this one. So neuroblastoma. So melanoma, lung small cell carcinoma, Williams. Also got NSA testicular also tumors. So this is also one important of the chromosome structures. So the second one is the insertion. The deleted section may be lost or attached to itself to another chromosomes. Some part of the chromosomes are deleted. The deleted part is transferred to the other chromosomes attachment. That is called insertion. The deleted, how to deleted of the chromosomes? What are the character features? A1, 2, 2. That is also deleted part of. So this deleted part is then directly attached to this one. So this is also got X chromosome, here Y chromosome, but just one. So this deleted Y chromosome is also green color deleted part. Then attached to the also X chromosome part is a transfer to the Y chromosomes and attachment takes place. That is also deletion. The deletion means the deleted chromosomes is attached as or inversion. The deleted section may be lost to attach itself to another chromosomes. That is called a deletion, also insertion, inversion. So ring formation. Sometimes are the ring chromosome forms when the tips of the long and short arms fuse together to form a the chromosomes are fused together to form a ring formation. Usually there are a small deviation of the tips and both of the arms. So this is also important of the chromosome particles are there. So this part is a terminal part in that this terminal part is also the fuse to the closure there. Closing. A ring chromosome forms when the tips of the long and short arms fuse together to form a ring. Usually there are a small duration of the tips of the chromosome. This is also small deletions. These two parts are deleted. The deleted part is also reticular part is also directly ring formation. This is also the ring formation process are there. So next point, the chromosomes are 18 ring syndromes. The causes of a results from loss, deletion of a genetic material from one or both ends of the 18th chromosomes and a joining of the ends to form a ring. Carried 46x6 or 18 or 48x5 or 18. Only 18 chromosomes are ring formation. That is called a syndrome. Frequency rare. Syndrome means head and neck microcephaly, micrognathia, and undersized tongue, microglacia. Also called a malformed ears and narrow or absent ear canals, eye abnormalities, low set ears, hind and foot shoot, short and abnormal flexes, of fingers, skeletal abnormalities. So the skeletal abnormalities which can also rib and a spinal column usually small or short arms and legs are malformed. So kidneys are defects. Growth and development are motor, speech and mental retardations. So this is also chromosome 18th effect is. So then isochromosomes. Isochromosomes are arise if the centromere splits horizontally instead of longitudinal. Isochromosomes are there. Rare. So these isochromes are which is also important for. So the central part of the direct which part is directly there. The direct part is also formations. Central part is also ring formation. Two rings are appears. So this is isochromes. The clinical features of chromosomes in anomalies. So Cray-Du-Chart syndrome, longer Guy-Dou syndrome, so Angelman syndrome, Prader-Willi syndrome, Wager syndrome, Church syndrome, so Dieterich syndrome, Wolff-Rayet syndrome, Williams syndromes. 9 types of the syndromes are there. So which is also loss of a DNA, loss of the part or insertion. So insertion means the inversion part is takes place. Inversion. So first you that the Cray-Du-Chart syndromes. The Cray-Du-Chart syndromes are Cray-Du-Chart syndrome or 5p. So this 5p chromosomes are there. The 5p chromosomes part is which one? 5p causes deletion to the short arm. 5 deletion, the deleted chromosomes. So there is carried 46 is 5. This 5 chromosomes are deleted, which can affect of the chromosome structure is associated. So this is also symptoms. Cat-like cry, small head, round moon-like face, small jaw, widely spaced eyes. So hypertelorism, low set ears, single line in the palm of the hand, similar creases of low and height. So this all is also which can come consisting of this one. The longer head syndromes. These syndromes are longer Guillain-Barré syndromes. Trichoepithelial syndromes cause a small dilation to the long arm. Long arm is also deleted. Long arm also called deleted. So this karyotype is also related to that chromosomes are there. Here is a long arm, also called a 7 type of the chromosomes are there. This is a long arms are there. Symptoms, unique facial features and skeletal abnormalities. So cognitive delay, short status, loose skin in early childhood and a lovely flexible, overly flexible. So low set ears with a flattened helix, bulbous nose, lateral devices of fingers or more. So this is also second one. Then third one is called Engelmann syndrome. This Engelmann syndrome is a happy puppet causes deletion of small piece of chromosome 15. The 15 chromosomes are also deleted in the human beings, which can causes of the Engelmann syndromes. So this one 15 chromosomes are deleted. So this is also fact in 1 in 25,000 children. The 25,000 children, so one person is called Engelmann syndromes are there. Engelmann syndrome, which can causes of the symptoms. Engelmann syndrome is a neurological disorders. So delay in slating, delay in sitting and walking, absent speech. So poor attention and hyperactivity. Epilepsy 80% is an abnormal, unusual movements, fine so tremors, so bulb of troubles. So this is also important of the character features of. So then the fourth one is also important. Prader-Willi syndrome. Prader-Willi syndrome. The Prader-Willi syndrome causes a small deletion in a 15 chromosomes. So the 46 plus excess deletions, the 15 is also deletion. Is 1 by 10,000 persons, only one. That is also small. That can be Prader-Willi syndromes. The Prader-Willi syndromes are a poor attention, affections of a hypersensitivity. So ellipse 80% in abnormal. So unusual movement to find tremors hand happening. So blowing averages head size other than flattened ears. So these are all is also symptoms of the 15. So then the four Prader-Willi syndromes. So this one is a four skins are hair couplets are families, eye abnormalities, hysteropinemia, speech attitude defects, small hands are present. So this is also deletion of the chromosome 5 Vagar syndromes. So this Vagar syndrome is also William tumor aniridia syndromes, causes the deletion of the 13 band of the short arm of chromosomes 11. The deletion may be bigger and included other bands in the region, in the area. So this is also fifth one. This all is also symptoms are there. But here Charge syndromes. Charge syndrome is it causes of PC long end chromosome 22 to 11 chromosomes or karyotype chromosomes. The symptoms are so which can be charged the symptoms and different millions. Then Daiger syndrome is a causes a large deletion from a chromosome 22. So these are all deletion chromosomes are which can exhibiting the loss of the speech and native. So this is also symptoms. But here 9 is a Williams syndromes. Then so this is also called inversion. Okay? 9 symptoms are which appears in deleted chromosomes in man. That is also the second one is also inversion. What is the means of inversion? The inversion occurs when so there are two breaks. There are two breaks within the same chromosomes and the segments is inverted 180 degree and rejoined. The loss of genetic information just recognized. So then it is also loss of the chromosomes here, paracentric chromosome. This is also just one is insertion and also attachments are there. When there are two breaks within the same chromosomes, two breaks with the same chromosome and the segments is inverted 180 degree and rejoined. 180 degrees are rejoined and also no loss of genetic information, just recognize. సో దీని లోపల ఏం చేసే జన్యు లక్షణాలు ఎక్కువ లాస్ కావు, కానీ ఏం చేసే జెనెటిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ జస్ట్ రికగ్నైజేషన్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సో అనిమేటెడ్ ఇన్వర్షన్. సో దిస్ వన్ ఇన్వర్షన్, దిస్ inverted chromosome is also 10th one. You see that is animated part will come, and that animated part is also just after one chromosomes are cutted. Then cutted part is a downside, upper downside part is upper side, and attachment is the same type of the chromosome, that is called animated inversion. That is animation that first is that is normal inverted. So this one is also inverted, that is up and down, also down up down, then jointed, up and down jointed. That is animated chromosome. This animated chromosome is which is responsible to the this part is a daily up and down. The black color patches are downside, here downside. Then upper part is also called white color patches are jointed. That is the two joints are which can exhibiting the animated inversion. This inversion chromosomes are important types of inversion: paracentric and pericentric. The paracentric chromosomes means the upper part of the centromere. Paracentric does not include the centromeres. Centromeres కలవకుండా, so upper part of the centromere part is also up and down, inverted and jointed this. Then pericentric means includes centromere. Centromere toni, so include centromere to the jointing to takes place. That is also without centromere and are included. This is also included. It is without centromere. So then does not include the centromere. That is include centromere. Include centromere. This is also two types of chromosomes are inversion. That paracentric and pericentric. The pericentric chromosomes which are responsible for the genetical changes, just one. So but the chromosomal mutations inversion loop is a heterozygotical meiosis metaphase. Meiosis in metaphase. Meiosis one of metaphase. So the chromosome mutations are inversion takes place. That is the inversion which is responsible to the. So this is also total inversion. This one, this part is inversion. That is also two parts are there. But so this loop formation, the loop is which is responsible to the genetical characters or changes. But that is a acute myeloid leukemia. Due to acute leukemia. So this acute myeloid leukemia, which is also causes an inversion in one of the chromosomes in 16th between the band P13 in short arm and band Q22 long. So this is also acute chromosomes are there. This acute chromosomes are which are responsible. Chromosome abnormalities are which are responsible to the changes of genetical characters. Thanks for good listening. So this is a important of a then the chromosome abnormalities, which is a first one is also uterine leukemia. The uterine leukemia is also related of the chromosomes, but here Williams colors and also reticulars and resicular. So this is also one important character features of the chromosomes are there. Then acute myeloid leukemia is AML. It causes an inversion in one of the chromosomes 16S between and a band P33. A band which can respond with 13 in the short arm and a band Q22 in the long arm. Carried 46XY inversion 16P. Frequency 1 case per 20,000 persons. One case observed in 20,000 persons. Only one case causes of acute myeloid leukemia. So this acute leukemia is which infected into the. So this one character features are following. This character feature accumulated leukemia is a chromosome mutation inversion process. Inversion loop. The loop inversion process are which examples of 20,000 persons is one. one person is also causes of inversion, also leukemia persons. So this is also paracentric and pericentric chromosomes are which inversion takes place. So this one is second one is inversion in that. First one you go to that how many types of the total parts of the chromosomes are which structurally changes. The four type of the chromosomes are structural changes which are called. First one is also that is deletion, inversion, and so these types of the chromosomes you know that deletions. The deletion means a loss, only terminal and intestinal. That is a simple. So, but here is abnormal. Second one is insertion. Insertion means one part is also the deleted section may be lost to attach the itself another chromosomes, not only inverted. Any part directly same part is attaches means takes place. That is also insertion. The insertion is a ring chromosome structures, ring-like structures formation. A ring chromosome forms when the tips of the long and short arms fuse together to form a ring. This one ring formation. But here chromosome 18 rings. In the chromosome 18, ring syndromes are appears. But here isochromosomes are there. With clinical features are which are 9 clinical features are there. 9. This all is also called syndromes. So Wolf syndrome, Williams syndromes, and also the second one is also inversion there. So this inversion occurs where there are two breaks within the same chromosomes, and the segments is inverted 180 degrees. That is also inversion. So this inversion is also important of a types of paracentric inversion, also pericentric inversion. That so this chromosomes are mutation inversion loop in heterozygote meiosis takes place. But here acute and leukemia causes leukemia. This is also number of chromosomes are there. So that is also one chromosomes which can responsible to the inversion and deletion and translocation. The translocation is which is a simple to the all other type of the structure changes of chromosomes. First year that so this is also deletion. The second is a translocation. Translocation means so this part of the chromosomes is translocated to the other part. Deletion, you know that. Duplication means you do not affect of the duplicate other part. Inversion means upper part and lower part are translocation. Translocation means that X chromosome part is comes to the Y chromosome passes to the comes to the X. That is a translocation process. So that is a ED. So F part is also before E, then D part is a before C. Then DEF, that is duplication, here inversion. First one normal, that is a deletion. Deletion means A, B, C, D, F. EF is also loss. EF is loss. So deletion. Next duplication means that is also formation, two formations. A, B, C, D, E, F, D. D is also duplicate. But here also called inversion means the inversion part is also comes to the translocation is upper part and lower part is transferred to each other. Upper part and comes to the lower part is structural abnormalities. The structural abnormalities, the chromosome abnormalities are normal, and also what is a chromosome structure and what is the name of the chromosome's importance and the types of the chromosomes are there. So this is also deletion process. The deletion is a loss of segments or a terminal or intestinal. So this one is a abnormalities cancer disease. This abnormalities Wolf is Carn syndrome. Wolf is Carn syndromes are there. Then and Cri-du Chat syndrome. Wolf is Carn syndrome and Cri-du Chat syndrome 5P. That is also one important here insertion. The deleted section may be lost or attached itself to another chromosomes. That is insertion. Ring formation here. The ring chromosomes forms when the lips, when the tips of the long and short arms fuse together. Long and short forms are fused together to form a ring. Usually there are a small dilation of the tips of both arms. So this is also ring. The chromosome 18, the ring syndromes are there. So head and neck, the microcephaly. So micrographic isochromes are there. So these isochromes which arises of the syndrome MERS splits horizontally. Split means is divides horizontally instead of longitudinal. The longitudinal instead split and that is a separate or moves or cutted splitting to the isochromosomes are there which are important of clinical features of the chromosomes are abnormalities. So this is also several types of first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So then the several type of the syndromes are appears. 5 Vaga syndromes. So then various Charger syndromes, also Daiger syndromes, Wolfisto syndromes. So this one 9 is also Williams syndromes are there. This 9 one, all one that is also inversion. That inversion is also type paracentric and pericentric. The chromosome mutation is also inversion. Activity male and this one activity male and is also important to the gene mutations. Also chromosome structurally which can be changes. Structurally changes of the chromosome which are responsible to the additional characters are appears. Obtain the additional characters that is called a structural abnormalities. The structural abnormalities are which are responsible to the changes of genetical inheritance, genetical characters, which is important to the only 10,000 or 20,000% is one person is loss of lack of the parts of animals. Lack of the part or the total shape is changes. The shape of the man, structure of the man, function of the man also called physiologically, morphologically different. That is lack of chromosomal part or loss of chromosomal part or deleted part of the chromosomes. So then insertion, also translocation, deletion, which are all is called a genetically variable character of organism formation. So this is also major part of the description of a numerical changes of chromosomes are yesterday completed, but today this is structural chromosome abnormalities. Also structural chromosome abnormalities which can classify the 4 types. So first one is a normal deletion, inversion, translocation, and also called duplications. The 4 types, the duplication is a only additional part is formation, but 6 fingers are formation duplications. Translocation is a only one part is transferred to other part of chromosomes, but it can be auto executed the changes, changing of the character features. So, but the inversion and also called a deletion. The deletion is a much danger to the human beings, which responsible to the total human being shape, structures or changes. That is called a deletion part of the chromosome. The deleted part of the chromosomes are not only one, not only all deleted organisms are same chromosomes are deleted. Few organisms are 6 chromosomes, 7 chromosomes, 8 chromosomes. That number is different. 8 pairs. 8th pair of chromosomes are deleted. 15 pair of chromosomes are deleted. 17 pair of the chromosomes are deleted. So this is also which is responsible to the total. The deleted character is much danger to the human beings for lack of a genetically inheritance character, which is responsible to the total man without speech, without do not walk, do not movement, all is also dangerous to the this type of deletion character of chromosomes. So this is important of a deleted abnormalities are also structural abnormalities of the chromosomes. The structure of the abnormalities of the chromosomes are much